Thanks to the infinite sub-ISO system in Nora, every task, sprint, milestone, big task, small task, and project will have estimated hour and progress. So for example, we have this task support infinite sub-ISOs. It has 4 subtasks and is estimated to be done in 4 hours. It is currently 25% done. I can click on it to see more of what does this 4 hours include. So click on it. It is an ISO with 4 sub-ISOs. 1 out of 4 is done. I can scroll down to see the tasks that are not done yet and click on one of the tasks to see more details of the task. For example, here this is an ISO without sub-ISOs. Estimated work is 1 hour. And the same for all of the other tasks. For example, this task has 4 subtasks. It's done in 3.5 hours and it is 43% done. The same for the project. So this is a project of 15 ISOs in total, and the total estimated work is 12.5 hours. The progress is 28%. So how the estimate system work? It is actually pretty simple. So if a task has subtask, its estimate hour will be the total estimate hour of all of its subtasks. But if a task does not have any subtask, its estimated hour will be calculated based on the complexity. For example, here, this task has the complexity C1. It will be estimated to be done in 1 hour. But if it is C0, it will be half an hour. If it is C2, it will be 2 hours. And if it is C3, it will be 4 hours. So you may think it is not much of a difference versus just like think about the due date yourself, but this is actually a lot more powerful. How? So by just updating the complexity of a task, you will have the estimated hours and estimated due date updated for the whole project. Remember, this task earlier is estimated to be done in 4 hours, but now it is 7 hours. And the progress is now just 14%. And it's affect back to the project itself. So the total estimated work is now 15.5 hours. And the progress is just 23%. So by a single update on a task, you will have all of your project, all of your other tasks updated as well. So which is very powerful. Another thing is that thinking about complexity of a task is much easier than thinking about the exact due date of a task. Okay, so that's about how the complexity, estimate, and progress work. But this is another powerful use case of this system. So we have a view called work in progress. This will show all of the tasks is being work in progress at the moment. So I can select this task and pick it here. So I'm currently working on this task. This current time is like 3:54 p.m. So I'm working on this task, and thanks to the estimate system, I know that this task is estimated to be done at 7:45 p.m. So I can just plan it to be done at 7:45 p.m. And I know, okay, I should only work on the other task properly after 7:45 p.m. So I will plan this task to work on this like here. And then again, you see, you do not really think about due date, but the system suggests you the due date of the task right in front of you, like right when you actually planning. And you do not really need to think about all of those due date and due time yourself. So for example, here I see this task is estimated to be done between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. So now I can plan another task after 9 p.m. Yeah, so that is how the estimate and the progress system in Nora can be very powerful and useful.